What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome to your Monday update on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update, of course. We had a relatively volatile and bullish night. Now, as some of you might remember, Monday mornings and Monday nights, like so far, we've only really seen the Asian session. And right now, the US session or the Europe session is slowly loading up. But as some of you might remember from the past, is that these Monday morning pumps are a little bit shady sometimes. So we'll talk about that in general. We'll talk about everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. First of all, for those of you who don't know, be prepared for Wednesday. Wednesday we have some probably market making news. It depends a little bit on what's being said. But we have the Federal Reserve interest rate decision and the Federal Reserve press conference after that. Which right now, as we're on the verge of cutting interest rates by the Federal Reserve, I think it will matter what we see there, and I even think that there's a slight possibility that they'll cut rates here, but that's unexpected. All right. So know that's going to cause volatility. That's also probably going to mean that we'll see some less volatility before that. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, let's check out Bitcoin. So like I said earlier today, we got some nice bullish momentum. You can also see if you look at Bitcoin right here, the open interest is absolutely rocketing. A ton of positions are being opened here. And it's mostly long orders, all right? So this is bullish. And you can also see since like 1:30 a.m., we've seen a lot of long orders being opened here. Open interest in general is rocketing, so there's a lot of momentum in the markets. But the thing is now we have to see some sort of a continuation at this point of time, all right? So the Europe session, but especially when the US opens later today, we need to see continuation, all right? And I would say if you look at Bitcoin right now, and we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, I would actually say this level right here at 68,500 is the most important level. If we're able to retest that and hold it, retest that and gain more momentum, something like that, then I think it's inevitable we're going into the 70s, 70,000s, of course. And that's also the main target right now, right? That's that level right here, let's say between 71,500 and 72,500. And honestly, look, the short-term price movements can be different, and we'll talk about different possibilities here as well. But ultimately, with this market structure we have right now, both if you really zoom out, but also if you zoom in right here, what we have here, and then all the fundamentals, this move seems inevitable, right? It seems inevitable to me that we're going up to the top of the range, and then from there it will depend. Like I expect resistance there initially, and then after that, kind of the price action after finding that resistance will determine whether we'll be able to break above that, rally up to 75, perhaps even 80, who knows? Times are crazy. And we'll be able to determine that. But I'm not 100% convinced yet that we are going to make all-time highs. I do think we will this year, but it could also be that we need one more leg down before ultimately getting that all-time high, or that we need to get the all-time high here, do some sort of a fake out, and then drop back down. So ultimately, I do expect that. Short term, like I said, due to the market circumstances right now, which is that we are bullish, but the volume is still quite low. All right, so we're going to get a lot of volume still in the markets today, and that could also reverse the price here. So I would still be cautious. Some altcoins are performing very well, of course, but I think caution is good, and I think we're going to see some sort of a pullback here. If we drop down below 68,500 and 68,300, then I think we'll see somewhat of a deeper pullback where 65,000 would be my preferred buy area if we get that pullback. But that depends largely on today. I'll keep you updated on that, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.